Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 DirectX function error. First, open Device Manager on your computer. You can do this by searching for it in the Start menu. Now click on Display Adapters to see your graphics card listed. This is where your GPU drivers are managed. Here, right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. This ensures your graphics card has the latest features and bug fixes. Next, click on Search automatically for drivers. Windows will look online for the latest drivers and install them if needed. After updating your drivers, go back and open Settings from the Start menu. From the left-hand menu, click on Windows Update to check if your system itself needs updates. Then, click on Check for updates. Download and install any updates available to make sure your system is fully up to date. Once all updates are installed, restart your PC to apply the changes. After restarting, open Battlefield 6 again. The DirectX function error should be resolved, and your game should launch without crashing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.